Welcome to Vung Tau, a vibrant coastal city where the sea brings opportunity. Since 1976, Baseafood has grown to become one of Vietnam's respected seafood processing and export companies. For nearly 50 years, we have built our reputation on quality, innovation, and commitment. Our journey from humble beginnings, Baseafood has become a trusted name in the seafood industry. Our progress has been powered by the dedication of our people and the loyalty of our global customers. While rooted in Vung Tau's fishing traditions, we embrace modern techniques and technologies. People and technology. Our people are the strength of our company. Skilled, disciplined, and creative, our team works with care and precision. Many employees have been with us for years, contributing to our stable growth. They are supported by modern production systems that preserve seafood quality from ocean to export. Our values. Baseafood's work is guided by honesty, transparent and ethical in all dealings. Quality, high standards in every product. Dedication, full commitment from every team member. Passion, a love for seafood and responsibility to our customers. Creativity, constantly improving and adapting to new demands. Certifications and control. We hold key international certifications like HACCP, ISO 22000 to 2018, BRC, IFS, SMETA, Halal, and EU codes like DL34 and DL484. These are supported by careful quality checks at every step to ensure product safety, taste, and appearance. Product range. Our seafood includes frozen, mackerel, scad, trevally, squid, octopus, shrimp, crab, and surimi blocks. Dried, anchovies, squid, herring, and seasoned seafood. Ready to cook. Mixed packs, marinated trays, and portioned meals. Global reach. Baseafood exports to over 40 countries, including markets in Asia, Europe, North America, and beyond. We tailor products to local preferences and regulatory needs.
Innovation and packaging. Our R&D team develops new ideas in taste and format. We also offer flexible packaging, private labels, vacuum packs, and food service formats to suit each partner's market. Why choose Baseafood? High-quality standards, certified facilities, professional and experienced staff, strong customer service, timely and reliable delivery, customized product solutions, sustainability and responsibility. We source responsibly.